Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to lock the camera focus on Infinix Smart 8 easily. So guys, if you want to have a good and sharp photo, then you need to focus and lock the focus when taking photo of an object. So here's I give you an example. So now let's focusing on one object like this, so you can tap and hold on the screen until there's a word lock AA or AF, and then you can shoot, and then you can do it for multiple times with the same way. Okay guys, so now let's see the result. Wow, it's good and sharp, isn't it? So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to lock the camera focus on Infinix Smart 8 easily, and don't forget to subscribe Spararia YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss any other interesting video. So thank you so much for watching guys.